To access the damper and filter housing, start by removing the light shield from its two locking tabs. The light shield connects from here to these two tabs. To access the damper, start by sliding out the air filter. Next, remove these three screws. The air filter housing can then slide forward and out. Before removing the damper, be sure that the damper is closed first. Please review the Service Diagnostics Mode video for further details. Pull the damper down slightly and disconnect the wiring to remove it entirely. To remove the water filter, simply push the filter in to unlock it and slide the filter out. To reinstall the water filter, push the filter in until it locks into place. To remove the filter housing, remove this screw and slide the housing off. To remove the water filter base, start by taking an open-ended wrench and pressing in on the two blue ferrules and unlocking both water lines. Be sure to note that the brown line is the inlet and the white line is the outlet. Next, remove these four screws and the water filter base can then slide downward and be removed. To access the fresh food thermistor, start by removing any shelving in the way and then take out this screw. Carefully pull the thermistor cover away from the cabinet, and the thermistor can then be slid out and disconnected. Be sure when reinstalling the thermistor that it sets in the cover as shown. Otherwise, the thermistor's temperature readings will be off.